Calling out to all solar panel owners. Do you see your electricity bill rising? Want to bring your PV panels back to life? We know somebody with the special tools needed to get the job done. With us is Charles Souza, Vice President of Oahu Solar Panel Cleaning. What's up?
Yes, what's up? Good.
Welcome back on the show.
Yes, thank you.
Yeah, we had so much fun with you the last time. So tell us, I was reading your website today. It says dirty panels lose money. First of all, I love that because that's so local. I love that. Why is that, and what are the benefits of cleaning the solar panels?
Yes, so I have right here on our flyer for the show. As you can see, dirty panels lose money. So you can save up to 50% on your utility bill. And also by having solar panels, by cleaning solar panels, it protects your investment and it increases the output of your energy also. And it also prolongs the life of your panels as well.
Now, brother, you were with us maybe about 6 months ago on
Yes.
Island Life Live, and
Yes.
since then, your company has expanded exponentially.
Yes,
Tell
we
us about
did.
all of the other really cool services that Oahu Solar Panel Cleaning offers.
Yes, so now we partnered up with a solar installation company. So if you don't have solar and you're looking to get solar installed, give us a call. 777-7181, and we'll be able to help you with that.
I love that. Install and then clean them by.
Yes, and we will follow up and with the maintenance and
I
all
love
of
that. Now, when we're talking about cleaning the solar panels, can you kind of talk us through that process? How does that work?
So we use a low pressure rotating brush with deionized water. So deionized water, it's a spot-free, streak-free water. So it takes out all that dirt, grime, dust, all that bird doo-doo. It gets everything out.
So
And it makes it like brand new again.
I like that. So what's the importance of that deionized water?
So the deionized water, like I was saying, it's a spot-free, streak-free water. And it doesn't have all that calcium, and it doesn't leave all that
more
hard
buildup,
water
yeah?
spots on the panels. And because that also stops the sun from coming in and it affects the cells of the panel.
Oh, man.
Brother, I love this. You guys have really thought about this, because I think you folks are the very, very first solar panel cleaning company I'd ever heard of in Hawaii. So thank you so much for thinking about that.
Yes,
and
yes.
then, I know that you folks also work to remove like any kind of invasive animals from the panels too. Can you talk about that?
Yes, yeah. So, like a lot of birds, they like to go underneath the panels, and the birds, they can bite the wires, and that'll affect your panels as well. So we have what we call bird proofing. So you put this mesh wire around the panels, and you kind of lock that mesh wire in, just so the birds kind of go underneath.
Oh, awesome. Very
Yes.
cool. So we're protecting the birds and we're protecting the panels at the same time.
Yes.
So you got the cleaning, you got the partnership with the solar installation company, bird proofing, but you do some other things too, yeah? You guys busy over there?
Yeah, so we do clean gutters as well, and sometimes we do window cleaning. Yes.
Okay.
I love that. He's like, well, I'm up there anyway. Oh, your gutter's dirty. I'll go clean this out. Oh, your window's dirty too. I'll go clean those too. I love it, Charles. You guys are a full service company, and we appreciate that, the expansion. Again, how can people get a hold of you folks?
Give us a call, 808-777-7181. If you need solar installed, give us a call. If you need your panels cleaned, give us a call.
And where is your booth in the show today?
We're over here on number 323.
323.
Give us a call, Oahu Solar Panel Cleaning.
Oahu Solar Panel Cleaning. You just heard it from the man himself, Brother Charles. Thank you so much for joining us,
Thank you
man.
guys so much.
All right, let's hit the road now.